Hey everybody, it's me again, the other guy at 99 Sensors. Today I want to talk about Nexmosphere. Nexmosphere is the leading company when it comes to retail-proof sensors. They offer a wide variety of sensors that are durable, reliable, and easy to use. So what do you need us for? Well, the Nexmosphere strategy is to provide sensors only. No additional business intelligence or software to extract value from them. That's where the collaboration of Nexmosphere and 99 Sensors really shines. Currently, we offer two products around Nexmosphere. One is Cloudlink, and the other is the Sensor N app, our complete sensor digital signage software solution. For example, for Lift and Learn. This video will be about Cloudlink, so you can see everything else about our Sensor N app in the second video of our series. So here's our exemplary Lift and Learn installation using Nexmosphere controllers here in the top left corner. They are picking up the sensors, sending the sensor signal by serial port to the BrightSign computer, and the BrightSign computer is then calculating the content and sending it to the screen. Now, if the customer picks up a travel product, for example, you will see the related video to that. The same is for sport here. Now, in this use case, you already have a full-size BrightSign computer, so you can use that to send your data to anywhere that you want to. But very often you don't have that possibility. You're connected to some kind of SoC screen where you don't have that possibility, for example, or you don't have the cloud that you can connect to. And that is where our Cloudlink comes into the picture. So we already connected it to USB just to get the power, and we have a network cable here, so that is independent from the computer. And now we just split up this connection, the serial connection in the middle, and put our box in the middle. So everything works like before. Your local installation is not disturbed. Even if our box is not online, if Cloudlink is not online, your installation will still work. The total installation time for the Cloudlink is approximately 2 minutes. Now, what we got now, we have all that data that the controllers, that the sensors are sending to the BrightSign, and we send that in real time to our cloud. So let's see what we can actually make out of that data. So here is one possible dashboard. We have our products here, and we have the total pickups per product. So this is the sports bag. Once I pick it up, you can see how it counts up immediately. Let's do the same with the travel. And while the customer is actually doing something with this bag, looking at it, lifting it up, he's engaging. And we are counting this engagement time. And once we put the sensor down again, we recalculate the average engagement time, which is now 6 seconds. Over here, we have a pickup ratio. How does one product perform compared to the other products? Here we have the pickup activity on a timeline. We can change that to anything we want. Let's see how we performed in the last hour, for example. And then we can see times with no pickups and busy times. Let's put that full screen so we can see a bit more. We can zoom in. We have the total number of pickups per day over here. So you can see there's already a lot going on. But of course, we can customize that to your needs. So you get exactly the business intelligence that you need to create some additional value from your sensor installation. So you see there's a lot of data gathered and a lot of business intelligence that you can use to actually create some additional value. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or if you want to try it out. We have reached the end of this presentation for today. Have a good time. Thank you for your attention.